gonna look the closest truck stop. This is the app I use. Let me show you guys this app if anyone is a trucker. This is the app I use. My boy's calling me. Okay, what's the app? Oh, let me show you. This is the app. It's called Tracker Path. I'm all the way on here. US is PA 100, closer to US 222, closer to, this is a toll road 476. So I need a truck stop where I can take shower. You see, Allentown, this one, they have 75 spots, 11 miles away. There's a truck stop here. If I don't care about taking shower, I think I should go here. Or let me see another big truck stop. Man, let me go down. I don't want to go far. You know what? I'll go to this truck stop. This is on a toll road. What is this? I don't see no TA, no Pilot, no Flying J, no Lars. Man, I hate East Coast. You know what? This is the closest one that I see. 4 hours ago is empty. They have many spots. They have 75 spots. So let me read the comments. There's plenty of parking. Police close gate entrance exit is exit plaza. Somebody complaining about the food. I don't care about the food. I make my own food. So I do this. I just copy the address. I think a lot of truckers use that app. And then I just paste it. And then that's it. It actually is big. It's huge. As you can, it's a plaza. Actually, plazas have nice bathrooms. So the GPS tells me take this road, the middle roads, which I cannot do it. I'm a truck, so I'll just go out the way I came out. I take this road 100 all the way to US 222, and then US 222, and then where is it gonna take me? It tells me to take another one. This is like another road that I shouldn't take, but this I'll do. I'll just take US 22 all the way, and then I'm gonna go on the plaza. Yeah, I'll just take the US 22 until 476, and then I'll take exit. I'm not gonna follow GPS. I'm not a small car. Alright guys, time to go.